Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So Gogo Makhephula is still hell on bend on making sure that people knows that Sis Thembi from Tlozilami is a scam, and he claims to know how Sis Thembi gets to know the information of the people or the person who comes to the show. And he says, of course, when you write into the show, the producers does an interview with the person who had written into the show to get the backdrop of the story, and basically that's how Sis Thembi steps in when she meets the person who had written to her and acts like she got the message from Itlozi Khani. No, she is lying. Makhephula was also confirming when one user from TikTok told him he or she was interviewed by the producers of Itlozi Lami before meeting up with Sis Thembi. You guys now take a look at this and do engage with me in the comment section. Of course, do subscribe or follow me if you haven't yet done so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zindlondlo. Yo, ngwana ko hae ke a leboha. Ke a leboha o commentile hore le wena ba ile ba o butsisa mabitso, ba o butsisa hore o tlhokofaletse ke bo mang ba o interviewer. Vele le huma la ditlela le ja ke ba botlhale. Haretse ba ba sa bone ntwe ke ba fatlhollang ka yona ba tlhaba ntse ba shiana ka morao ba ntse ba re nywembi. Vele skela stwaitso jewa ba se ja mo hotle mo. Se ja ke ba ruti, se ja ke ba profeta, se ja ke eng tsa di fake tse tsotletse. Fake tse tsotle di fitile mo di mahahae. Scammer tse tsotle tse di tinta di eng di fitile mo di mammelo. Ha skela ke skela shebo. Lokare wa skhalifisa ska skhalefe shemo. Hore wa skhalifisa se re o ne le mona o jela se tsa Thembi. Nka jela se tsa Thembi. Batho wa interviewer o tlhatlhoba ka dilo tse o di buletseng. Thokoza. Aretse Kere, batla tshepa ka o bona. One day they will answer me.